outbreak of cholera can be actually defined as being limited to very specific areas in the country.
Ngqongqoshe wezempilo Dr. uJoe Phaahla uthi uqinisa isandla kwaRhulumende kwenze bona ibonakale indima ekulweni nengogwana yecholera elizweni leSouth Africa.
It is easy just for people to take people's lives violently.
Indeed, it looks bad, but I would argue on that point.
Inkulu zamapolisa zithi ukwandiswa kwesabelo semali zebutho lamapolisa ungaziphungula imbalobalo zobulelesi eSouth Africa. Kwaba kuhle ukuhlanganiswa zindaba kodwa ku SABC 1 ngesiNdebele lochani.
Thina la SABC News sidosela umtato nangabe unomhlala wendaba. Indaba ukusiluma indlebe namkha indaba ezintswenyako emphakathini wankenu. Ngasidosela umtato ku 011 714 6133 namkha usi-emailele ku news@sabc.co.za. SABC News phimbo lakho isijamele ayithatha ihlangothi.
Umnyango wezempilo uthi ukwehla kwecholera kubonakala ngaphasi kwelawulo kwakhathesi ngemva kokuthi uRhulumende aqinise isandla. Ngqongqoshe wezempilo uDr. uJoe Phaahla uqinisekisile bona akhange kube nezehlakalo zokubhubha kwabantu ngenxa yecholera emalangeni ambalwa adlulileko. uDr. uPhaahla ufakazile bona ukwehla kwecholera eGauteng kungahlobana nabantu abaphume baya kamanye amazwe.
Umnyango wezempilo bewukhuluma nembiki indaba namhlanje ePitori ngezamva nje ngokwehla kwecholera.
Our key message it's really that at this stage the outbreak of cholera can be actually defined as being limited to very specific areas in the country.
uPhaahla ugadelele ukuthi abantu abatheleke ngecholera mhlapha nje akusibo bokuthoma nonyaka nje. Uthi kokuthoma icholera yeza noma ekuthiwa batsho bekaye eMalawi.
The only definite source which we could locate is the earlier outbreak of Johannesburg, which could be traced to traveling into a country which is endemic with cholera, which is Malawi.
Ngemva kokulandelela imbalobalo zabantu abatheleke ngecholera eLimpopo neNorthwest, iNICD iziqinisekisile imbalobalo ezi.
Specifications for a confirmed cholera case are very specific and they rely on laboratory testing. And without going into too much detail, there need to be a Vibrio cholera of a certain serotype, an O1, and there needs to be laboratory testing to show that that produces toxins.
uPhaahla uyelelise nangokuthi kungaqalwa indaba yomraro wamanzi eHammanskraal njengonobangela olethe icholera kokuthoma ekhethwapha. Nanyana kunjalo akabi kwabona kunabasebenzi bezempilo abangenwe yicholera.
The patient was admitted, isolated and treated, while at the same time specimens were collected and sent to the NICD for testing. Though the results only came out positive today, the patient has since improved and is due to be discharged.
Sibhedlela sikathe mahlangothi wonke njengombana kubekwe ukuthi icholera ehatshekile esiphandeni seBait Bridge eZimbabwe.
The Department of Health has already strengthened our outbreak response work by means of surveillance and also conducting health promotions, working with our local stakeholders in the hotspot area, including our Bait Bridge border post.
Zakhamuze Musina zihlalele evalweni.
We are so scared because they've been discovered one case of cholera and we don't even have a single drop of water in our tap. So we are so scared, honestly speaking.
Even if it's one case of cholera, it means that many more cases will be discovered. So I advise people to be safe at all times. Try boiling their water, add whatever that could keep them safe.
Ngandithomile imkhulumiswano phakathi kwenkulu zesinge esithindekako kunye nabomasipalata.
ISouth Africa iyabhalelwa kulwisana nobulelesi. Lokhu kuvezwe ngelanga lesibili lapho inkulu zamapholisa bezethula khona imbalobalo zobulelesi ekomidini yezamapholisa eParliament.
Imbalobalo zitshengisa amacala ngaphezulu kwe 55,000 okubulala, ukulinga ukubulala nokubethela ukulimaza. 19,000 abangelwe kungangisana nokhitshana ukungwarana nokungabekezelelana endleleni bese abantu bakhitshana ngamagama. Ihobhululo lenziwe ikomiti emapholiseni ehobhululako njengisabona amaSouth Africa akakwazi ukuletha isisombululo lokhana kunokungazwani kuhle.
The problem we are facing with interpersonal violence is significant, and a holistic approach should be developed to address the challenges faced by interpersonal conflict.
Amalunga weParliamente azizwakalisa ukuthwenyeka ngalokhu.
If the South Africans are struggling with peaceful conflict resolution, how do you deal with this matter?
Komchinara wesifunda naye kwaphosela lakhe lobudlana watshengisa ukungabi nethemba.
The province generally, it seems to be a violent province in that it is easy just for people to take people's lives violently.
There's a new trend that is coming up with the insurances matters where the family members insure a family member and then that person is killed.
Ezinye inhlangano zibe nembuzo ukuthi ingakhana amapholisa la ayakukhuthalela ukulwa nobulelesi na.
I'm interested to know whether the South African Police Service has done a deep dive analysis into its crime prevention strategies, into its plans and policies to measure the impact of those policies, plans and strategies on reducing crime and why they are not working.
I am from the opinion that we do not have the correct reflection on our crime statistics.
Ucele naye uyavuma ukuthi khona kusikuhle.
Indeed, it looks bad, but I would argue on that point and maybe put reasons and make the grounds that have covered. One major ground, Chair, that has been covered on this is the resourcing and financing of policing and the crime.
Ucele uthi nangaphosela imali khudlwana esabelweni semali samapholisa ngaba kuthoma kwamachuguluko.
Ekhasini lethu leFacebook sibuzile ukuthi inhlangano zepolitiki eziphikisako zithi zibethe isivalo imbalobalo zobulelesi ezikhutshiweko kanti ungqongqoshe wamapholisa uBhekicele uthi nangakhuphuka isabelo semali samapholisa ngaba nendima ake siqala umbona wakho uyalandela.
Uqinisile ayikhuphuke imali yamapholisa namkha isabelo samapholisa khona amapholisa azakhuthulelwa umkholo balise ukuthatha ibribe umhaji.
Uyabona uBhekicele nje into ayikhulumako sekuboleka idumu ngebhigiri imali akhuluma ngayo leyo kuyokuhlomula bona bazingikhulu zamapholisa federe nakubulelesi bona beyokuhlala buhagele ngombana izelelesi ziyazi ukuthi amapholisa weSouth Africa ayafumbathiseka.
Ewe mina ndiyavumelana kakhulu nomphathiswa wamapholisa uBhekicele. Amapholisa asebenza kanzima kumele ke imali yabo noko inyuke ayakhala kakhulu amapholisa.
Umnomzana Bhekicele fanele awuthokoze umsebenzi wakhe ngoba okokwaphatha yena ubugebengu eMzantsi Afrika abande ngamandla.
Imbalobalo zobulelesi zande khulu namajima akhitshiwe we-women abuse kodwana ayikho itshintsho elibe khona. Yini into ezokuletha itshintsho nesele kwandiswa imali emapholiseni ngoba kulapho-ke kuyokwanda khona ubulili.
Ayikho into yokuthi amaphoyisa azokhushulelwa imali bazosebenza because amaphoyisa akithi ane-corruption enkulu kakhulu.
Umbuzo enginawo ukuthi-ke uminister kanye nokhomishina wamaphoyisa benzani ekunciphiseni lesi simo besalindele imali kabathi bayilindile.
khona nokuvika ngesithupha kwingqongqosho uma ekhala ngesabulo semali ngoba kuyazi ukuthi amaphoyisa amaningi awekho ezingeni abaqeqeshekile ngokwanele ukulwa nobugebengu.
Umbono yombukeli SABC ezokuthwesa umlando ukuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Unobhala Zombelele we-ANC walokya u-Ace Magashule uphiwa amalanga alikhomba ukuthi aphendule bona kuba yini kufuza ngaqotshwa ehlanganweni le. Ikomiti ekhalimako ye-ANC ifumene uMagashule amlando emacaleni amabili. Elinye lamacala la ngelokutlolela umengameli wehlangano uCyril Ramaphosa incwadi yokumjamisa. Unobhala Zombelele we-ANC ufikile mbalula bekakhuluma neMbikindaba namhlanje emzimkhulu wehlangano eLithuli House.
Sekusikhatshana ngabonakala emzimkhulu we-ANC eLithuli House. Ubulunga bakhe kulihlangano bujame maquphe njengombana afunya namlando ngamacala amabili. Ngomnyaka 2021 uMagashule wakhupha incwadi ejamisa umengameli wehlangano uCyril Ramaphosa emsebenzini ngemva kobana akatelelwe ukuthi ajamele iqadi ngokuya ngomthetho wehlangano. Lokho kulandela ukujaniswa njengelunga lehlangano okulandela ukuthwesa icala lobukhohlakali eBloemfontein. uMagashule wayala bona abawukulitshalela kumengameli wehlangano uCyril Ramaphosa tshachalazi kodwa nawabhala. Kwakhathesi uMagashule angazifumana qotha ku-ANC njengomana bekunezongo batshethi politiki eFreystata.
The chart member is found guilty on count 1 and 2 as charged. The charge member is afforded 7 calendar days from the date of being informed or becoming aware of this funding to make written submissions to the NDC through the office of the NDC Administrator, Comrade Rahmat Lamera, whose email address is there.
Endabeni zepolitiki nokubusa, i-ANC ihlongoza ukusebenza ne-Democratic Alliance ukulawula ukubusa ngokuhlanganyela ngokujugulula imithetho. I-ANC ne-DA bakhombela iParliament bona ize nemithetho emitsha ezokulawula ukubusa ngokuhlanganyela ukulusa nokuphungula inhlangano ezincane bona zibethe umthetho emkhulumiswaneni. Zombili inhlangano i-ANC ne-DA zifuna inhlangano ezinamalungu amaningi emkhandlwini kube ngizo ezinikela amandla omthetho azivumela bona zibuse ngokuhlanganyela.
We will work with anybody. We want stability in coalition governments. So will we work with the DA in terms of amending the legislation? Yes, we'll work with the DA and everyone else because these are democratic principles that must guide us.
Ikomiti ephezulu le-ANC ifumana isisombululo sokuthi endaweni la ihlangano le ifumana amavoti amaningi kufuze kube ngiyo edosa phambili imikhulumiswano ukubusa ngokuhlanganyela. Kungabi nenhlangano ezincane ezilawulako okuyinto ekhamba phambili kuba masipala bemadrobheni eGauteng kunye neNelson Mandela Bay Metro.
Ihlangano engasebenzeli inzuzo izwakalise ukuthwenyeka ngokubulawa kwabantwana eNkomazi eMpumalanga. Emvekeni emibili ezidlulileko kubulawa amasana amabili abulawa bomayise. Izenzo zokubulawa kwabantwana ngesihluku sethusa abantu abaningi endaweni le. Iveke le yiveke yokuvikelwa kwabantwana.
Bulawa ngesihluku kusolwa aboyise labantwana bona ngibo abakhuphe umphefumulo wabantu babo. Aboyise babotshiwe.
He said he loves his child. But then why? Why didn't he kill me? Why? I'm the one who said you must stop, not the child. I'm the one. But why did he do this? So still, I want answers.
uLorraine Khoza omnikazi wehlangano engenzi inzuzo endaweni zemakhaya eNkomazi umsebenzi wakhe kusiza abongazimbi abakhahlunyezwe ngokobulili uthi ziyakhula izenzo zokubulawa kwabantwana babulawa boyise bengazi.
We have had cases of infanticide in Nkomazi and we're thinking it's abnormal. It is understandable when you have one case, but it's a problem when there are cases reoccurring every after a month, bi-monthly or monthly. So we are realizing that we just might have a problem in the Nkomazi local municipality area.
Kodwa yini unobangela wezehlakalo ezi?
Uthothi lo muntu lo vela ubuntu bungenazwela akanalo uzwela lo muntu lo akanamizwa yabo. So mangabe ake sithi uthukuthelele umama wengane angazitshela ukuthi ngizomlaya ngizoyibulala ingane ukuze ngimzwise ubuhlungu enabantu abanjalo vela bayajabula ngokubona abanye abantu bezobuhlungu.
Njengombana kuthome iveke yokuvikela kwabantwana nje amalungelo abo aragela phambili nokwephulwa.
So many children are vulnerable, but because they are young, they don't know where to report, they don't know where to start. We see a constant rise which leads up towards to the rise of infanticide. Well, some of these cases are not reported, and we only know about them once we have, visited these communities.
Ukhoza uthi kufuneka kube nembono ehlukahlukeneko enzo zokubulala.
Umndeni, abangani kunye nalabo babazana nomhloli abuya abe umxozululi wezepolitiki uEusebius Mekeza ongasekho bathi zibathusile indaba zokuthi akasekho ephasini. Abantu bemakhanda ePumalanga Kapa lapho uMakaiza aphile khona iminyaka eminingi bambuke njengekutane ebeyilwela amalungelo wabantu abadimeke amathuba. uEusebius bekamhathi obeka nedumo ephasini lonke.
What we have learned in the last couple of years is that coalition politics in South Africa is all about horse trading for positions. It's all about gigantic egos. It's not about principle. And the last thing on the mind of the coalition partners are the residents of the individual citizens.
Ubengunomzana wekhaya anehliziyo ehle nomoya omuhle kilabo ebebazana naye. Bekaziwa iphasi lonke njengomhathi ophambili abuye abemhloli kodwa abemxozululi wezepolitiki. Umndeni wakhe uthi umsebenzi wakhe omuhle ngiwo omenze ukuthi aziwe iphasi lonke. Ukuthanda kwakhe indaba pikiswano kunye nengqondo yakhe ebukhali ngikho okwamenza ukuthi agcine ayokutlolisela ukufunda eRhodes University. Qede lapho iziqu ze-honors ne-masters ku-philosophy.
He was an alumnus of Rhodes University, a very special person. Of course, he was a formidable public intellectual with an amazing ability to engage, comment, and write on a wide range of social and political issues. I remember him as a fierce debater with an incisive mind.
Abantu bendaweni emakhanda lapho ekuthiwa udabuka khona bebamazingo obas ubazaza kanti bathi lokho ebekajamele empilweni njengomhathi bayokuhlala bakukhumbula ngaso sonke isikhathi njengombana ube umuntu othanda ukusebenzela ekhaya.
Ziphela lapha besimhlanganisela zona elangeni lanamhlanje ukuthula kwande isijaba sekosi.